Assalamu alaikum students, this is Parva Batul, your O-level computer science instructor, and welcome to another video. Here in this video we are going to start another important topic of programming, and that is string handling. Let me write it here. String handling. Before starting the topic, let me revise one concept, that what is a string. You must know that what is a string. A string is basically a variable. It is a variable that stores text, or in other words I can say it store characters. In the characters it can come numbers 1 2 3, it can come alphabets ABC, capital or small, it can have symbols, anything. A character can be anything. So it is basically a string that is holding the different characters, the combination of characters. It can be letters, numbers, symbols, all together. It is up to you that what kind of text it is. It can be held by the string. Now, let's come towards the length of the string. A string can hold, if I talk about the characters, it can start from a zero character. If a string has zero character, then we can say that it is an empty string. There is nothing in the string. The characters can start from 0. So these are the empty strings that has 0 character, and the length of the characters or length of the string is specified by the programming language. The number of characters that the string can hold, it is specified by the programming language that you use. So the maximum characters that the string can hold are actually depends on programming language, that how many characters or what is the limit of the string. Now, the next thing is how you can label the string. Let's suppose there is a string, there is a variable. I named the variable as NAME name, and then I am saving a value in this variable that is my full name. It is FARWA space BATOOL. Remember that a space in a string is also recognized as a character. Now, altogether, if I talk about the length of this string, then it is the number of characters that it is holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So altogether, the string length is 12 characters. It is holding 12 characters from 1 till 12. If I want to label each of these characters, so I can start the labeling from 0 or 1. It also depends upon your programming language. In Python, the labeling is starting from 0. What is labeling? Labeling is actually you are numbering your characters, or you are giving it a position number. So F is at position number 0, then A is at position number 1, then R is at 2, then W is at 3, then A is at 4, then space is at 5. So these are the position numbers that are given to each of the characters stored in a string. And why are these position numbers important? Because they are going to help you out in string handling methods. So if I start the position number from 0, so the ending position L is at position number 11. So it is how you can label each of your characters in a string by a position number. Now the next thing is, let's quickly move towards the string handling methods. One thing I want to tell you here is the string handling methods are specified. There is no need to create them. These methods are there already built in there in the library routines of the programming language you are using. If you don't know library routines, then I'm gonna make another video on it later. You can see that. So it is actually the classes or the libraries that are built in a programming language, so only you can use these methods by calling their names. No need to make your own method of string handling. So the first method here, let's start with the string handling methods. The first one here is length of a string. Yes, this method, Length, length of a string, this method is going to help you out to find out the length of your string. Or in other words, length is basically you are counting the number of characters in your string. So if I talk about my this string name, I'll just copy this one. I will copy it and put it down here. Now you can see that this character, if I count the number of characters that I have already counted before, so altogether it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are 12 characters. The length does not depends upon the position numbers of the string. These are two different things. If the position starts from 0, then it is 11 characters. So we are not concerned about position number. In the length method of your string, you have to actually count the number of characters the string holds. So the count starts from 1. So altogether, these are 12 characters. How we can use the length in Python? What is the method that is used for calculating the length of the string? You are simply going to write down len, that is a small keyword for calculating the length of the string. Then you must have round brackets, and inside the round bracket you have to mention the name of the string variable. So here it is NAME. So I will mention NAME here. So this points out the string that I specified, and this holds the name of a person, that is Farwa Batul. So this is a small string handling method that is called a length method, that is going to tell you the actual number of characters present in your string in Python. Now moving towards the next one, it is a substring method, number 2. Okay, substring. Substring is a very interesting method, and what it does, it extracts a part of a string. So let me write it here, extract part of a string. How I can explain you this, I'm just going to copy it from the top, then I will explain you using this particular string. Okay, look at this substring method. Now, this is my full name. If I want to extract my first name, this one, Farwa, so this enables, the substring method enables me to extract my first name out of my full name that is stored in this string. The method is in Python, we can write down simply NAME, name of my string, and then I will be writing down square brackets. Inside the square brackets, I have to mention two position numbers with a bracket. Sorry, comma. Sorry, not comma, it is actually colon. Now, what are these position numbers? I'll explain you this. The first one here, it needs to be the start of the character that you want to extract, and this is the end, -1. Let me explain you this thing. For extracting Farwa, if you see the start is F, so F is at position number 0. So it will be, how will I write my substring? Name of the string, then the position. If I am starting at position number 0, then it will start extracting from F. And I have to specify the end of my substring. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The end is at 4. But if I specify 4 here, then what is the method of substring actually minus one number from the end. So it will be 4 minus 1. So it is 3. It is going to extract from 0 till 3. So the result for this method is going to be FARW, because W is at position number 3. So remember that in order to specify the end, you must specify it as 4. If you want to specify 4, then specify 5. Because by default, whatever you are going to specify in the end, the method is going to minus 1 from your end. So it is 5 minus 1, 4. Now you can have FARWA. I hope that you understand it. Now, if I want to extract the second name, Batul, what I can do that? Name, the starting position is B6. So I will start it from 6, then I will put on a column. The ending is at 11. But remember that if I write 11, so it will do 11 minus 1, 10. So it will only extract. For this, it is going to extract B, A, T, O, O. Because at 11th position, because at 10th position it is O. So L will not be extracted. In order to extract L, you have to mention your length as length plus 1. So it is going to be, if L position is 11, that you have to mention 12, because the method is going to make it 12 minus 1. Then it is 11, and then it is going to have L in your substring. So this is, I hope that it is understandable to you. Whatever the character is at the end, you have to write down its position by plus 1. If L is 11, then write down position 12. If you want to extract till T, T is 8, so make it 8 plus 1, 9. That is for your end. How to specify the end? End needs to be plus 1. Because in the method, when it will calculate your end, it will actually make it a minus 1, and then it will extract the string. I hope it is clear to you. Further, we will see it in a Python editor. Now, the third method here that I need to explain you is upper. What is upper? Number 3 is upper. Upper method is going to convert all of your characters into uppercase. Yes, if your string has lowercase characters, then the characters will be converted to upper case. So it's very easy. If the string is having FARWA, then by the result of uppercase method, it will become FARWA. So it is very easy. In Python, how we can do that? We can simply write down NAME, name, that is name of my string, dot upper is the method, and then round brackets. This is how you can use the upper method in your Python language for the string handling. Same goes for the fourth one, that is your lower method. The lower method is actually going to convert your string characters from, let me copy it because it is just the same. Characters will be converted to duplicate here, they are converted to lowercase because the method is lower now. So what is the example? Let's suppose my string is saved as capital characters, FARWA. So as a result of lower method, it will become FARWA. Here we go. So in Python, we can simply write it as name of the string, NAME dot lower brackets. One more thing is that if you're in the uppercase, if a character is already capital, let's suppose the string is the character is F was already capital, that was stored in the memory, FARWA. So even then the result will be this one. It will not change the first letter. If the character is already capital, upper method is not going to manipulate that. Same goes for lower. If a character is already stored as a lowercase in your string, it is not going to change it in the result. It will be small. Now, I hope that all of these methods are clear to you. In the next part of this video, I am moving towards a Python online editor and I will tell you how we can do that. So let's quickly move to it. Length of my string, and then after that here comma, here you can use the method of length. So in Python it is len, and inside that you have to mention the name of your string, name. So it is going to calculate the length of your string. So it is altogether 12 characters. Now let me quickly see the result for you. I'll run it. Length of my string is 12. So you can see that it is printing the number of characters that are present in my string. So this is your length character. I'm mentioning it. That's your first method. Now the next method we have to check is how to extract the string. I'll print the result for you. String. Then my first name is, first I will extract my first name is. Now I'll put a comma here and I will write down the method of extracting the string. So it will be, just write down the name of the string, then there will be square brackets. The position, it starts from 0 and the ending position must be, if it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The last letter of my first name is at position number 4, but I have to mention here 4 plus 1, that is 5. Your end must be plus 1 because by default Python is going to make a minus in your ending position. So it will do 5 minus 1, 4, and it will show you the result from 0 till 4 position number. So I'll run this and I'll see the result. My name is Farwa. You can see that the first name is being extracted. Now I'll do the same for my second name. I'll just write down print. Let's see if it can be copied. Yes, it is copied. Now here I will make some changes. First is now become second. Let me extract the second name. The starting position for my second name is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It starts from 6 and the ending position is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But you have to mention 11 plus 1, that is 12, in order to extract it till L. So I will run it here. My second name is Batul. You can see that how we can use the substring methods. Now the third one is very important, how we can make all these characters in a string in uppercase. So I will print it. I will write down just name. I'll make a comma here, and here you can simply write down NAME, name dot UBBER upper, and there will be round brackets. I will show you the result by pressing the run button. You can see name in uppercase, Farwa Batul. I will just quickly copy this one and then paste it in order to show you how we can do it in a lowercase Lower. So here the method will change to Lower, lower. For lower, only F and B are going to be lowered because these two were originally present in the uppercase in my string. So let's run this. Name in lowercase, Farwa Batul. So this is how all of these string handling methods actually work. Thank you so much for watching this video. It is the detail of your string handling methods. In the next video, we are going to start with another topic that is no another topic. It is actually an activity 8.8 that we will do to understand this topic in more detail, and then after that we will start with arithmetic, logical and boolean operators. So stay tuned, stay connected, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.